Hey, I'm going to be doing a bike check. I've got the S&M Mike Hooder signature bars. They were 30 inches wide, cut them down to 28. Rise is 8.625. Brought in the Chase Deerheart grips, Aussie par ends, DK stem, Odyssey headset rawed out, Fit Shift 2 forks, Alienation Deviant front rim, lace chip, Alienation hub. Then I've got the Ezra pegs from vnbmx.com. Then the frame is the Guerra Martyr frame, also ordered off of vnbmx.com. Then I've got the stolen class ring chain wheel. I rawed it out. Madeira cranks, Aussie twisted PC pedals, Colt chain. Then I've got the Mission React rear rim, laced to a Mission hub. And then on the other side it's the other Ezra peg. And then I've got, in addition to the bike, I've got the Shadow Crow seat. Nice and soft, better than a slim seat by far. And then seat post is just a We the People stock seat post, and I rawed that out. But yeah, that's my bike.